It's one thing to have one of our company representatives say our basement waterproofing system works well. It's quite another thing when your customers say so and go out of their way to tell you about it. Our crews installed this basement waterproofing system in the second half of 2013.
We had major water in the basement issues prior to your completing your install in the fall of 2013. While the spring of 2014 was one of the wettest in history, our basement was bone dry and still is. This was a major test for your system. You get an A+++. John, Excelsior, Minnesota.
It makes us feel good to know our customers have peace of mind even in extremely wet circumstances.